So we are here in Staunton at one of the parking garages. There's this really interesting creek that kind of just runs here. We have an elevator here.
But the pointless error.
Yeah, here's just a view outside.
I like the indicator.
Yep, so we can't go down, so we have to go up.
Down.
No, down is closed. We've got this interesting...
Yeah.
But we have a Dover traction with PTL, so we can't go down to G, so we'll go to 2. It's a Dover. Do another ride on it.
The passing chime's a bit odd.
Yeah.
I wonder if it'll go down.
No, I won't. I have it locked off.
Try at least. Very basic cab. The view out here sucks at night.
Yeah. Let's end up on 2. Look at that bridge.
It's hot in here.
That's an interesting sound to it.
It does.
But I say come up out here on 2 because we have this really cool walkway
We do.
that comes up here. Here's the step. Did you send it down? Yeah, and there's the creek right there. But isn't this kind of cool here?
Yeah, this ramp kind of goes up over.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's it.